So you guys know I've been harping that vocals are going to be so big in 2023 and moving forward in the sync licensing world. Well, I just came across this artist. They're called Swarms. They're actually an artist that was being represented by one of the libraries that I was recommending in SyncEdge. And as I was playing the music for the video, I realized this is such a just perfect example of how to create licensable lyrics and music for the TV film world. So I'm gonna just play 3 other tracks here, or at least parts of them. Hopefully this video doesn't get taken down. I'm just trying to show you guys how awesome they are and how you can definitely use them as a potential reference track. I want you to pay attention to primarily their lyrics and how they're crafting what they're singing about, and how they're not talking about anything too specific. They're actually keeping very broad, open topics going in their music, and also how larger than life their music feels and how much energy is pushed into the production of their music. So there's some amazing things for you to take a listen to as you check this out. But let's go. This is the first track I want to show you. So I know hopefully you can hear some of those lyrics. I don't have a lyrical video here I can share with you guys, but it's so licensable. It's just it's taking my breath away of how licensable that music is right there. You can see that on a commercial, right? You can see that on a sports promo. You can see that on, literally almost anything. It could be a commercial for a reality show or any sort of product or a service. It's crazy how versatile this music can be, and the energy and the production and all those great stops, and they come back in and building energy into that chorus, and the vocals are just well produced. So everything about this is, to me, screaming this is music meant for TV. Now Swarms, I don't think that they're primarily trying to get TV placements. Maybe they know that, but here's one thing that I was sharing with the SyncEdge members, that some libraries these days are looking for more and more kind of artist music, and I'm putting that in quotes because you don't necessarily have to be a quote unquote artist to send the music. They just want the music to feel like it wasn't primarily made for TV film licensing. So tracks like this, to me, feel like they are made for TV film licensing, just because I'm hearing how they're singing, what they're singing about, how the lyrics are crafted. But if you just heard this playing, you could mistake this for just an amazing, great artist that just was on, Pandora or, Spotify or something like that. So that's really a quality that you're going to want to start to incorporate into your vocal music as you approach these libraries. Let's go into one more. We're going to play 3 of them, but here's the second one called Right Here. Again, listen to the lyrics, listen to how they're writing their stuff here.
Don't stop, cause we can't get enough. Don't stop, cause we're feeling the love. Don't stop, cause we're doing it right. Don't stop, cause we stay up all night. We're turning it up. We're turning it up. Work hard, play hard, don't let them get us down. Stand up, sing it loud. Right here, right now. Right here, right now. We're shaking it up, shaking it up. We can't get enough. Right here, right now. Right here, right now. We're shaking it up, shaking it up. We can't get enough. Right here, right now.
So, right here, right now, we're shaking it up. We can't get enough. What is she talking about? Don't know. And that's what's really licensable about this, because it's kind of a hustle, grind sort of a track, right? It's about working hard and going and going and going. But this can be applied to sports. This can be applied to shopping. I mean, this can be applied to literally anything where there's forward momentum. And that's the quality you got to bring to your vocal tracks. Here's one more here. This is called Here We Are. So again, great energy moving forward. Here we go. Okay. What are they talking about? Literally almost anything that is about excitement and moving forward and jumping and going into a positive direction, essentially. So energy, excitement, dedication, determination, rambunctiousness. So like all of these different themes are being wrapped up into these tracks, but they're not telling you specific stories about those themes. They're basically using the most broad and general language they possibly can so that whatever Here We Go means can be applied to many different TV and film clients. So I just couldn't help but share this with you guys. I'll find a link for them and I'll post it below so you can go check out this artist more. So go give them some love, go subscribe, go buy something of theirs. Just really, really great stuff. They just have a great formula down, just how they're putting their music together here. It's just one of the best that I've heard, and I've been in this business a long time. This is one of the best that I've actually heard, so I definitely just needed to share it with you guys. So anyways, hope you found this useful, and maybe you can use them as a potentially reference tracks. But of course, write your own lyrics, write your own chord progressions, write your own melodies. Do not rip anybody off. Do not rip Swarms off, of course. You guys know to be smart and safe about that. I want to be careful that I put that disclaimer out there. So you need to make sure that when you do use a reference track, you do create something 100% original, but you can just follow in the footsteps or in the sort of spirit of how another artist created their track. We all do that. We're all borrowing from each other's ideas, but it is important that you obviously create your 100% original music with your creations.